Master your financial future. Setting investment goals. Welcome, fellow moneymakers, to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of investment goals because nothing says, "I'm living my best life," like setting financial targets and smashing them. You know what they say? A goal without a plan is just a wish, and we're all about making those money wishes come true. So strap in and let's explore the fabulous realm of investment goals, the importance of having a plan, and how to develop one that fits your oh-so-unique needs. Alright, first things first, let's talk about the different types of investment goals. We got short-term goals like saving for that dreamy vacation or for little Timmy's braces, which typically have a time horizon of less than 5 years. Then we got intermediate-term goals like planning for retirement or funding your child's college education, yikes, which have a time horizon of 5 to 10 years. Finally, we got the granddaddy of them all, long-term goals like retirement planning or leaving an inheritance, which have a time horizon of more than 10 years. When setting your investment goals, specificity is your best friend. Instead of saying, "I want to save more money," try, "I want to save $20,000 for a down payment on a house within the next 2 years." Boom! Specific, realistic, and measurable. It's like putting your goals on steroids so you can track your progress and make adjustments when needed. Now that you've got your shiny, new investment goals, it's time to develop a plan to achieve them. A rock-solid investment plan should include an assessment of your current financial situation, an in-depth analysis of your investment goals, and a strategy for achieving them. And because we all know life can be unpredictable, this plan should also include a risk management strategy to help you weather those stormy financial seas. A crucial aspect of your investment plan is asset allocation. Think of it as a buffet of investment options like stocks, bonds, real estate, and cash. You'll want to fill your plate with a balanced mix of these asset classes to reduce the overall risk of your portfolio. The percentage you allocate to each asset class depends on your risk tolerance, time horizon, and investment goals. For example, if you're an adrenaline junkie with a long-term investment horizon, you might want a higher percentage of stocks in your portfolio. But if you're more of a slow and steady wins the race type, you might want a higher percentage of bonds. But wait, there's more. You'll also want to diversify within each asset class. In the stock asset class, spread your investments across different sectors like technology, healthcare, finance, and consumer goods. For the bond asset class, consider government bonds, corporate bonds, and municipal bonds. And don't forget to go global by investing in different countries, spreading your investments across various economies and currencies. Now let's talk about the pièce de résistance of your investment plan: regular review and adjustment. This means keeping a watchful eye on your portfolio's performance, checking your progress towards your investment goals, and making any necessary adjustments to your asset allocation or risk management strategy. Life is full of surprises, and it's essential to review your investment plan in light of any changes in your personal circumstances, like a change in your risk tolerance or a shift in your investment goals. To sum it all up, setting investment goals and having a plan in place is the key to successful investing. By being specific, realistic, and measurable when setting your goals, and by developing a well-diversified investment plan that includes a risk management strategy, you can boost the potential for achieving your investment goals. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience is a virtue, and panicking during market downturns is a big no-no. It's essential to have a well-diversified portfolio and realistic expectations about the returns on your investments. And like a well-tended garden, you need to regularly review and adjust your plan as your circumstances change. Now, we know you're itching to hit the ground running and start dominating your financial future. So before we part ways, we want to remind you to subscribe to our channel and click that sweet little bell icon to be notified of new content. And hey, if you found this video informative and entertaining, we know you did, smash that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm show you more of our content, which means more money-making wisdom for you. With that, we'll wrap up today's lesson on setting investment goals with personality and humor. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to your financial future, so aim high and keep on investing. Until next time, happy goal setting and investing, you fabulous money mastros.